In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Adobe Photoshop for free, so let's not waste any time and get into the video. First, you need to search for Adobe Creative Cloud download, then click on download Adobe Creative Cloud, click on it. Then once you open it, you want to download the Creative Cloud. Then once you have downloaded it, you want to install a Creative Cloud, so you want to click on continue and you will see the percentage of the application on that. Then leave what you have to do and go through all the questions. So let's go through these questions. Then once you have finished going through these questions, you will have to wait for the installation. Then once the installation is complete, you need to open the Creative Cloud, and once opened, you need to sign up. I can use any method. You don't have to use the method I'm using, but I'm going to use my Facebook because it is much easier. But you can also log in with your Google, as that will also be easier. Then once logged in, open the app and it will welcome you. I just want to click on finish. Then if you want to go to the top right and click on application, then I will go to beta application and you will find Photoshop at the top. And you just want to click on try, then you will have three options. And the main option you want to click on is for team and enterprise. Click on that, then you want to click on continue, then you just want to click on start and you will need to enter some information. So you just want to type the name of your company. It can be your real company or just a fake company name. And you want to indicate the size of your company from 1 to 9. Then you want to enter your phone number, and after clicking continue, you will get it for free. So what you want to do is simply click on install and you will see in the right corner that Photoshop is installing. Once the installation is complete, you just need to open the application. And there you have it. It's as simple as that, and now you can do your editing and use Photoshop completely free, and you can keep doing it with other emails, and that's how you do it. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this.